How big is your voice? What is it?
Why are my fingers moving?
Because that's your voice size?
Because when I go like this, my voice goes down into this like black hole. And there's a fence around it. And it's like it can't get bigger, and it's through one.
What?
It's the one.
One what?
It's not coming out all the way.
Squeeze.
Use it on the table.
What? What's on the table?
Can you put these on the table?
What? Here. What? What is wrong? The wall's touching you?
No, it's getting smaller.
Getting smaller.
I close my eyes and I move back this way, wait for me to open them, but I was back in this spot again.
Close your eyes. You gotta close your eyes.
What are you doing?